Hello class and welcome to week 4. It's hard to believe that we are halfway through after this week. So time is flying and before long you'll be at graduation. This week's course outcome is proposes leadership and collaboration strategies for use with consumers and other healthcare providers in managing care and or delegating responsibility for health promotion, illness prevention, health restoration, and maintenance and rehabilitative activities. This is the program outcome 2. So this week we have our second big milestone that is done, or that is due this week. In week 3 announcement, I went over that that milestone in great detail. So please go back and look at that and review that, because hopefully you are already started to work on it. So again, week 3 video announcement goes into that in much greater depth, so I'm not going to go over that. So again, this week we have 2 threaded discussions in addition to the milestone that is due. The first threaded discussion is evaluating quality patient outcomes. So there's a question about that. And then there's the discussion of articles. So in this particular one, you're going to go to the Patient Safety and Quality and Evidence-Based Handbook for Nurses website. If you go into the assignments, here is the link to that particular publication. I pull up the link here. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose 2 of these articles that you are going to write about. They're separated by patient safety and quality, patient-centered care, evidence-based practice, working conditions and working environment, etc., etc. So I want you to go through and find one that is particularly important to you or to your clinical practice, and then you will write your article or your threaded discussion based on that. A couple of things that I want you to do is I want you to make sure that you also include the URL for each one, so that if someone sees something that they thought that is really important, then, or something that they'd like to learn more about, they can go directly to that URL. So make sure you reference that properly. But tell me how this article is applicable to your practice, and I want a good summary of the article. So not just like 2 or 3 sentences. I want a good summary of what this article says, what its suggestions are, what it implies, what the problem is. So give me a good description, and then again I want you to write how it's applicable to your practice and why you chose that article and such. So you'll have 2 good summaries of 2 different articles. Again, you want to respond to your peers. Also make sure you have to reference one of your lessons. This is part of your assigned reading, so this is one of your citations. So I hope that everybody has a fabulous week, and that you're enjoying time with family and friends, as well as working hard, and we're halfway there. So keep up the good work and have a great week.